In today's video, we're going to explore descriptive statistics. Specifically, we'll understand the three main measures of central tendency: mean, median, and mode, using a simple and easy example. So, without further ado, welcome to the amazing world of logical statistics. Today, we will learn 1. What are statistics and data? 2. The definitions of mean, median, and mode with an example. So, let's get started. First, let me ask you a question. What comes to your mind when you hear the word statistics? Statistics is a branch of science that deals with the collection, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of data. It also helps us make inferences about a population by using information collected from a sample. But before moving towards mean, median, and mode, let's understand one important concept. What exactly is data? Data refers to raw facts and figures. It can be in the form of numbers, symbols, letters, characters, or any other information collected for analysis. Now that we understand statistics and data, let's move towards the three important measures of central tendency: mean, median, and mode. The first one is mean. Mean is simply the average of all the values in a dataset. The second one is median. Median is the middle value of a dataset after arranging the data in ascending or descending order. Finally, we have mode. Mode is the value that occurs most frequently, or the value that is repeated the most in a dataset. Now, let's understand these concepts with a simple example. Suppose there are 4 boys in the 9th class of my school: Ali, Aun, Qasim, and Sajjad. I have measured their heights in centimeters. Let's use this data to find the mean, median, and mode. The heights are 176 centimeters, 178 centimeters, 178 centimeters, and 189 centimeters. Finding mean. Let's start with the mean. The formula for mean is mean equals sum of observations divided by total number of observations. First, we calculate the sum of all observations. 176 plus 178 plus 178 plus 189 equals 721. Since there are 4 boys, the total number of observations is 4. Now, divide the sum of observations by the total number of observations. 721 divided by 4 equals 180.25 centimeters. Therefore, the mean height of these 4 boys is 180.25 centimeters. Finding mode. Now, let's find the mode. Unlike mean, there is no specific formula for finding mode. We simply look for the value that appears most frequently in the dataset. In this example, the height values are already arranged in order: 176, 178, 178, and 189. Here, we can see that 178 centimeters appears twice, while all other values appear only once. Therefore, the mode of this dataset is 178 centimeters. Finding median. To find the median, the first step is to check whether the number of observations is even or odd. Based on this, we select the appropriate formula. Here, we have an even dataset with n equals 4 observations. Therefore, we will use the formula for an even number of observations. Substituting n equals 4 into the formula. So, we take the average of the second and third values. The second value is 178 and the third value is also 178. Therefore, median equals 178 plus 178, divided by 2 equals 356 divided by 2 equals 178. Hence, the median of this dataset is 178 centimeters. So, in a nutshell, let's quickly revise what we have learned today. Mean represents the average value of a dataset. Median represents the middle value after arranging the data. And mode represents the value that occurs most frequently in the dataset. I hope you now have a clear understanding of descriptive statistics and the basic concepts of mean, median, and mode. Before you go, here's a quick question for you. If a dataset contains the values 5, 7, 7, 9, and 10, what will be its mean, median, and mode? Share your answer in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Logical Statistics for more simple and interesting statistics lessons. See you in the next video.